Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your virtual stick bigger. And for example, let's see in the mesh. I want to make this virtual stick is bigger because maybe your finger is too big or this button is smaller. You can change it while in game. So let's tap the three strap at the top of the screen, tap this one pause button and go to the gameplay. And this one virtual stick is smaller size is the default. You can turn it on to make it larger in size. Let's see the mesh. As you can see, this is a bigger, not a huge, but it's bigger. So if you're comfortable with this setting, please turn it on, or if you want to some agile, you can turn it off, because the smaller virtual stick, the more agile your play, the more agile also the player in game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.